Hello everybody. For those of you who are watching in school, welcome back. We've missed you. And for those of you who are watching at home, thank you for watching, and we miss you too, and we hope to see you very soon. Now, things are very different here at Swaffield now. As you know, there's been that nasty virus going around, and we're really all trying to do our best to beat it. So, now that you're back in school, make sure that you're a superhero, because together here at Swaffield, we are going to beat the coronavirus together. And I'm going to tell you how school's going to look, what's going to be the same and what's going to be different. So, first of all, what's the same? Well, we're still going to be doing lots of our exciting learning, and you'll be doing the same learning or very similar to those of your friends who are still at home. You'll be doing your maths and your literacy and topic and getting lots of exercise and fresh air. Our school rules are still the same, and I know you can all remember them. Be kind, be safe, and be responsible. And if you follow those, you're sure to beat that virus. We're still going to have our above and beyond assemblies. You just get to take your hot chocolate home now instead of having it at school. So I've ordered some little packets of hot chocolate and some little packets of the iced biscuits. So if you get your above and beyond certificate, you can take that home and have it with your family. You still get to chat and you still get to play with the friends in your pod. We really hope that you'll have lots of time catching up and playing and enjoying being with one another. The adults in your pod, even though it's different, will still always care for you. They'll always make you feel safe and happy. And if you are worried about anything, you tell the adults, and I promise you we'll do our best to put things right. So what's different now? So, as you know, you're in smaller classes, which we call pods, because we're all like peas in a pod in Swaffield. And sometimes some of you might have different adults to what you normally have, and there might be different children in there as well, although they'll all be in your same year group, unless you're in Ocelot or in Sunrise, and you're used to things being different because you've been coming here for a while now. A big rule is that you need to keep 2 meters apart. Your adults and your pods will show you how much 2 meters is, so that you're absolutely clear. That seems really strange because I know you'll want to run and hug your friends, especially as you haven't been close to them for a while and you haven't seen them for a while. But this rule is really important, and I know that if we work really hard on this, we can do our best to make sure that it happens. So you can chat and you can play together with your friends in your pod, but you can't touch or get close to them. That's a big one to remember, and we'll try and help you to remember as much as you can, as much as we can. Something else is a little bit different is that you'll have a packed lunch in your pod. So you won't walk up to the dining room as you normally do. You'll have it together with your friends and your adult in the pod. Also, you might be in a different playground. We'll make sure you've got plenty of toys to play with, but you might be somewhere different. So even though there are lots of different things, what you always need to remember is even though things are different, we're still one big happy Swaffield family. Mrs. Grayson has written an amazing song to help us to stay safe and keep apart. And your teacher is going to play it for you now. It can be found on the YouTube channel. Look after yourselves. I'll be popping into the classes to see you soon. Bye.
Take one step